Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best photography continuous light that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Photography Continuous Light. One quote stated that if you don't want your child involved with drug, you'd better teach them do photography. This means that doing photography need to spend lots of money on the equipment. Starting with photography career, you need to have best camera, tripod, zoom, lighting, light or reflector because light could kill all the noise in the background even. Number 5. Limo Studio AGG 139 Photography Continuous. Support strand is constructed from aluminum for a durable, yet lightweight product. Featuring stable reinforced legs for light safety and safety locks. Main features: aluminum alloy construction, durability and portability, ultra compact. Number 4. Light W160 LED Photo Studio Barndoor Light Continuous. Its solid locking capabilities ensure the safety of your lighting equipment. Compliant with industry standards, this stand supports all major photo. Main features: constructed from aluminum alloy, lightweight and foldable, weather resistant. Number 3. Studio FX 2400 Watt Digital Photography Continuous. These high-output daylight balanced compact fluorescent bulbs are ideally suited for digital photography. They also have very low heat so they like photo. Main features: 45-watt fluorescent light bulb, soften lighting with box, easy to control lights. Number 2. Yesker Photography Lighting Umbrella Kit. Single head light holder is made of high-impact plastic for heavy-duty work. After inserting fluorescent spiral bulb and umbrella, you can adjust angle around to control shooting light. Main features: made of nylon material, easy to install, wide applications. Number 1. Limo Studio Photo Video Studio 2400 Watt Softbox Continuous Light. Compatible with 110 to 120 volts, porcelain material, ultimate safety and protection against overheating. Main features: aluminum alloy construction, height adjustable light stand, silver color inside. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.